Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to declare primary and foreign key in an SMS server. So I'm already created one database. I have to change it into students. Okay, then I'm going to create a table. Table name is create table sales. So for sales we want a order ID. So order ID. These order IDs are unique, so that I declare it as primary key. Then order ID declared, then order name. So order name as well car 30. Then rate of the order. Rate will be in int or anything. You can declare it as decimal, integer. Okay, any type of data type which you want you can declare. So then close. Okay, so execute. It's successfully created. So we have to insert value inside this table.